Apps affairs show you
How to apply dark mode on Instagram. Follow these steps to enable dark mode for Instagram on iPhone and Android. First of all, let's see the process on Android. Launch your Instagram application. Come to your profile page. Here, tap on this menu icon at the top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Dark Mode and Dark Mode select on, and this is how we can apply dark mode from an Android device. And if you're an iOS user, here's how to apply dark mode on Instagram. To enable dark mode, you have to enable dark mode on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Select dark mode. Now go to your Instagram and you will see your Instagram is now dark mode. So this is how we can apply dark mode on Instagram on iPhone and Android. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.